Action.
Today is the anniversary of George Floyd's death, so it's May 25th, 2025. So, in honor of that, I've written love poems to humanity. So, this book, if you purchase it, 20% of the proceeds will go to Black or female causes to support. And I'd love to read you the section about Black love because after studying the rhetorical phrase Black Lives Matter, I realized after watching so many of our men pass that they really don't matter because we wouldn't be doing that. So, my phrase is Black Love Matters. So, I'm going to read you the narrative and then the poem associated with it. So, Black Love Matters. It's 2025 now, and we're rolling back diversity and equity in the United States. I'm mixed, born to a Black mom and a white dad. I made this poem Black Love Matters because it does. After all of the brutality surrounding our lives, I consider what does our love mean to others. During 2025 Black History Month, our stories were amplified. I heard the late, great Nikki Giovanni on YouTube. She told us the tales of our great-grandmothers feeding white babies from their breasts to protect the misses from sagging breasts. I saw her I saw her say, you are what you eat," as she giggled. These stories inspired me to write. The strength of Black women who hold their men even above themselves, like the great Anne Murray Douglas, Frederick Douglass's wife, an illiterate laundress who got him clothes and papers to escape to the North. His story may have never been told without her love, so Black love does matter and always has mattered and will always matter. The love we share in our hearts, even for those who wronged us, the love we share for others after facing so many indignations, the respect we have for one another. So, yes, Black love does matter. It has been the thread that allows us to survive the unsurvivable, the unimaginable, the unthinkable. And I admire Black people for their unstoppable resilience, determination, and desire to pursue freedom. Freedom, the definition of love to me in this book. And now brings you to the poetry portion of the book. So, the poem, Black Love Matters. Black love matters. They deserve the platter. His wife is his to flatter. Come on, Black love, gather. A husband comes home to cherish his wife, his light. He enjoys her finger combs. She oils his scalp bright. She loves the love we share is respect, to cherish and never neglect. A family that's united so strong. Black love is the sweetest song. Children raised by their mother and father, enjoying their childhood without any bother. Black love matters. And then you get to express yourself right here in the page about what you think Black love means and how it matters to you. So, take a chance to check out this book on Amazon, Love Poems to Humanity by MRJC Cone, and also on Barnes & Noble. I hope you enjoyed.